You know, we see a lot of hard floors nowadays, and a lot of hard floors mean a lot of area rugs. And the only thing wrong with that is that they slide all over the place, and it drives me crazy. And if you have pets, I bet it drives you even crazier because they slide them all over. So I'm going to show you some quick, easy things you can do to stop that from happening. And the first thing is grab your glue gun. I know you're looking at me and going, Queen, you got to be kidding, but I'm not. A glue gun works great. You're just going to take the glue and you're going to run a strip about every 2 inches, just like that. And then you're going to walk away and let that dry. And you want to make sure it dries. I don't want you to glue the rug to the floor. I want that to keep it from sliding. What else can you use? You can use caulking, believe it or not, and it's not going to be permanent. All you need to do is take the caulking the same way and put a strip of caulking every few inches along. When you want to take it off, you're simply going to grab it, take a scraper like a plastic putty knife and pop it right off. Will not ruin the rug and it will not ruin the floor. But again, make sure you let everything dry. I usually do it the night before I'm going to put the rug down. And something I love and I use a lot at home are these little rug sealers that go on, and they keep your rug from sliding, and they're awesome because they're washable and they're reusable. Now I want to show you how they go on. They're tacky, but it doesn't leave stickiness on your rug. You're just going to lay them on. And these are used, I've used these a few times and they stay sticky. That's the nicest thing about them. And on this rug, I would put one on every corner, and then I come along and put one in the middle on each side. If you want to peel them off, pull them off. That's all there is to it. And like I said, they are washable. So let's put it down and see what happens. Now, we're just going to walk it down on the sides where we put the glue or the little pads on just to get them in place. And then, I don't care what size dog you have or how rowdy kids, this rug is not moving until you want it to. And when you want it to move, it's that simple. I love this tip. I hope you do too. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.